Why, hello, Seagull.
Honey, is that you?
Yeah.
Hi, honey. I just want to let you know, I can't make it to our daughter's clarinet recital.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going out with the boys. We're going to get pretty hammered, and we're going to fucking friend. Okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Sounds good. Have a good time.
I'm not done talking, bitch.
Oh.
So how was your day?
My day was alright. How's yours going?
You know, it's good. Why does it sound so far away?
I sound far away? That's because you're on speakerphone.
Who's that nigga in the background?
I'm making dinner right now.
That nigga in the background, Sharon.
There's no one in the background, honey.
Sharon, seriously.
It's probably the music. The music that's currently playing? Yeah?
Yeah, what is it?
It's a little far away. I can't make it out right now. It's upstairs. I'm downstairs right now.
Yeah. Is that nigga singing then? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
He is.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You know you couldn't satisfy me.
Okay.
He's better for me.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna come down there. Janice. Okay?
I'd like to see you try. He's bigger than you.
I don't care if he's black or not. I'm gonna come down there and beat his ass. Okay?
I don't...
Sound good?
Try it, motherfucker. Try it. Come on. He's a
I'm
cop, you
doing
know. He's a cop. He's got a gun. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, I'm selling shit on eBay. Made like 250 already. 250.
350.
What are you selling?
250. Huh?
What are you selling?
Prosthetic feet.
Oh yeah, that's his business.
Not my business.
His father's business. Either way.
Work my father doesn't want these feet anymore, so he's like, sell money, but I'm like, okay. I've sold 2 feet and they're 250. 250.
A piece or combined?
No, combined. That's just 2.
Does your dad have?
I mean, it's
What
a
do they cost
prosthetic.
to make?
Well, the foot that I sold was was used, but brand new. It's like $2,000. I sold it for about $115. Another one was like $3,000 brand new. Sold that for $150. So
Oh,
roughly $250.
okay.
I
For
get
some
that
reason,
shipping.
I thought it was $2.50.
And Seagull tying a knot. And
When you say 250, you mean $250.
Yes. That's what he
Okay.
means.
Shit!
Where
No one
are you?
uses terms 250 for $2.50. They say 250 as $250, not 250. Yeah, I'll take an ice cream cone and some chips.
I don't think you can buy that anywhere.
Just realizing what I said.